Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to install the base on your PS5 and set it up in both the vertical and horizontal position. The PlayStation 5 is loaded with great features that take console gaming to the next level, such as ray tracing, 4K and 8K support, HDR support, a new DualSense controller, and more. One of the few downsides is the PS5's shape, with an outer shell that makes it a little awkward to put in a fixed position. To address this, Sony ships a base with the console that can be used to position your console either vertically or horizontally. In this video, I'll show you how to put the base on for either position. First, let's walk through how to install the base so you can stand your PS5 up vertically. Step 1. Set your PS5 vertically so the bottom is facing up. You should see a row of vents and your device's copyright information. Step 2. Insert a fingernail or flathead screwdriver underneath the edge of the screw cap and then lift to remove that cap. You'll see a slot for a screw. Step 3. Grab the outer part of the base and move it around the edge to position it like you see in this picture on the screen. Step 4. Turn the PS5 base upside down. You'll see a screw on the bottom. Lift this screw out to remove it. Step 5. Align the base along the edge of the back part of the bottom of your PS5 and then push to slide it into place so that the hole for the screw in the base lines up with the hole for the screw in the bottom of your PS5. Step 6. Insert the screw in the slot and then use a quarter or a flathead screwdriver to secure it into place. Now you can turn your PS5 over and stand it on its base vertically. Next, let's look at how to put the base on so you can position your PS5 horizontally. Step 1. Grab the outer part of the PS5 base and move it around the edge to position it like you see in this picture on the screen. Step 2. Looking at the back of your PS5, locate the characters imprinted on the interior part of the white shell next to the USB ports. Position the indents on the outer part of the base so that they cover each of the outer characters, and then press the base firmly into place. You can now set the PS5 on its side where it will sit comfortably on the base. Let me know what your thoughts are on the PlayStation 5 in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my website to see more great tutorials like this one.